English together.
My name is Jessica. I am 18 years old. I have a daily routine that I follow. Let me tell you about my typical day. In the morning, I wake up early. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I make breakfast for myself. I usually have cereal with milk and tea. After breakfast, I get dressed. I go to college by bus. I attend different classes. I enjoy English the most. During my break time, I meet my friends. We talk, laugh, and have a quick snack together. When my classes are over, I come back home and relax. I watch my favorite TV shows. Sometimes I read a book. It helps me relax after a long day of studying. In the evening, I help my mom with chores. I wash the dishes. Sometimes I cook dinner. After dinner, I take a shower and get ready for bed. Before I sleep, I like to listen to soft music. It helps me relax and fall asleep faster. Then I go to bed and sleep. This is my daily routine. What is your daily routine? Tell me in the comments below. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.